a breaking news that has just landed in from the website called James Report. What are James Report saying? An headline: UPDF commandos attack Kony's bases in Central African Republic. So this is the update. Official says the attack was conducted on LRA's 3 camps located east of Samhonja. This is the name that they have said, the name of the village. According to the information, the Ugandan commandos units have attacked bases of Lord's Resistance Army LRA leader Joseph Kony in Central African Republic, that is CAR. The attack, which was coordinated with South Sudan and CAR armed forces, occurred on Tuesday morning, meaning today in the morning. Officials say the attack was conducted on LRA's 3 camps located east of Samhonja. Chain reports reached out to defense spokesperson, that is Brigadier Felix Kaloyeje, for a comment. Haid said the army's publicist was attending a function in Changwanzi. However, dependable defense officials told this investigative website that whole camps were destroyed during the attack and equipment was captured. So the equipment that the LRA were still having were also captured. Today's development comes after the International Criminal Court closed its investigation into alleged crimes against humanity and war crimes committed by the Lord's Resistance Army, that is LRA, in northern Uganda. He is suspected of 12 counts of crimes against humanity, including murder, enslavement, sexual harassment, rape, and suffering, and 21 counts of war crimes, including murder, cruel treatment of civilians, intentionally directing an attack against a civilian population, pillaging, inducing rape, and forced enlistment of children, allegedly committed in 2003 and 2004 in northern Uganda. James reports understands UPDF commandos used helicopters in the airborne attacks before conducting a ground assault. Ground assault is the kind of war which is fought on the ground, for those who might not know. This is the first time in several years that UPDF is conducting such a commando operation against LRA. By the time they posted this article, it remained unclear if Joseph Kony was in the attacked base. Officials said they were assessing the situation to determine the extent of damage and number of casualties in the attack. So this is the development. Recently, last month, we posted an update indicating that Joseph Kony narrowly escaped unattacked by Wagner Russian military mercenaries, Russian military groups, if I may call it in a layman term. Many people denied this, but it was from their official website and with some footages of media evidences. Any update that will pop up, we will keep you updated. Thank you so much. Stay subscribed.